Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akinlusi. So this is another fresh installation we just completed. What we have here is, bring the camera. Let me show them. So we have a 12 kilowatts, 12 kVA, high frequency, high voltage inverter. If we are talking about high voltage, you can see you can work with up to 500 frequency, 500 VDC. And when we talk of high frequency, you can also see the frequency here. So the charging mode, it can accommodate up to 90 amps, and for the solar, it can accommodate up to 120 or 27 amps on both sides. So combination of the two is 54 amps, but maximum of 27 on each of the PV. So we have this is our MCCB breaker. We separated the panels. How many panels do we have on the roof? 16. 16, 8, 8. Is it 16? Is 12. 12. We have 12 pieces of 6, 6. So the first 6 is on here, the other 6 is here. Then we have our protective circuit here. We have our DC surge. We have our AC surge. Then here we added energy meter, so we can monitor the load apart from the energy on this. Then another thing here is that Cworth. This is the latest Cworth 12 kilowatts. So it's screen touch. So from here you can see the load from the power holding company is 0, which we call NEPA here. We have from the panel, from the battery, and the load in the house. So currently we trip up the load in the house. So we have a knife changeover switch here for the house, supplying both the inverter and the NEPA. And what we have here, show them on the readings here, is a 20 kilowatts our lithium battery by Cworth. So we use Cworth inverter and we have Cworth battery. And the way Cworth designed this inverter is that it has a blowing, this is a blowing and sucking fan. So it has 4 fans, so that the system can get hot. And the beauty of it is you can come on the data here, can check on the history of energy used during the day. You can check the today energy data, energy generated per day, energy consumed per day, battery discharge per day. So from here you can easily check everything. If there is a fault, you can check the undervoltage fault here. So you can check everything. On the ohms, you can see at a single glance all the energy, both from the panel, from the power holding company, from the battery, and supply to the house. And on the settings, we can set it. So we can set it from the settings there. You will notice that we set it that it uses both PV and grid, and we put it on grid priority. In that grid, we set the grid voltage to 200 volts. That's what we work here, and it's a single phase. It's a single phase, so I put it on a single phase. It's a single phase system. I'll save the system. So the way Cworth designed this is very